Hey everyone! Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where I test gadgets in real life so you don't waste your hard-earned money. Now, if you're a programmer, developer, or someone learning to code in 2026, listen carefully, because your laptop can either boost your productivity or completely slow you down. I've spent weeks testing these machines, coding in VS Code, running Docker containers, building apps, debugging messy code at 2 a.m., and yes, even surviving a few coffee spills. In today's video, I'm counting down the 4 best laptops for programming in 2026, from budget to absolute beast. And as always, I've added the latest Amazon deals for every laptop in the description and pinned comment below, so if you find your perfect machine, just scroll down and grab it. Let's get started.
Number 4. Asus VivoBook 16 M1605 M165 series. Best budget programming laptop. Alright, starting with the budget king, the Asus VivoBook 16. Now honestly, I didn't expect much when I first opened this laptop, but after actually using it for real coding work, it surprised me in a good way. I tested it with VS Code, ran Node.js apps, worked on small React projects, and even did some SQL queries. With the updated Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, Zen 3, Zen 3 Plus processors, it's not blazing fast, but it's stable, and for beginners, that's what matters. In real-world use, it handled coding workflows smoothly, until I opened like 20 Chrome tabs, which, let's be honest, always happens. The biggest advantage here is comfort. The keyboard is genuinely good for long typing sessions, and that 16-inch display gives you more space for split-screen coding, which is super useful when you're learning or multitasking. Another big win, upgradability. You can upgrade RAM later, which is rare at this price in 2026. Now, of course, it's not perfect. The display brightness is around 250 nits, so indoors it's fine, but outdoors, forget it. The USB-C limitations are also annoying. No display output, meaning you'll rely on HDMI, and yeah, the webcam is just average. But here's the thing, for students, beginner coders, light web dev, coursework, this laptop gets the job done without killing your budget. Best for students, beginner coders, light web dev, coursework. Downside, dim display, limited USB-C, average webcam.
Number 3. Acer Swift Go 14. Best mid-range laptop. Now stepping into the mid-range, this is one of my favorite daily carry machines, the Acer Swift Go 14. This is the laptop I kept grabbing when going to cafes, co-working spaces, or even short trips because it's lightweight, portable, and surprisingly powerful. With Intel Core Ultra processors, Meteor Lake, Core Ultra 5 and 7, this thing handles modern dev workloads easily. I ran React apps, Python scripts, and even Docker containers, and it stayed smooth throughout. Battery life? Around 10 to 11 hours in real use, which is perfect for a full workday outside. But the real star here is the display. You get an option for a 2.8K OLED panel, and trust me, code has never looked this clean. Text is sharp, colors pop, and everything feels premium. You can also configure it with up to 32 GB RAM, which is huge if you're working with containers, VMs, or heavier workflows. Ports are also excellent. Dual Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, USB-A, meaning no dongle headaches. Now, a quick pro tip. If you work mostly indoors, go OLED, but if you're always outside, stick with IPS for better brightness and battery. The only downside, the keyboard is slightly soft. Not bad, but not the best either. Still, for the price-to-performance ratio, this is one of the smartest choices in 2026. Best for full-stack developers, freelancers, remote workers. Downside, slightly soft keyboard, OLED may reduce battery. Number 2. Apple MacBook Air 15. Best upper mid-range laptop. Now let's talk about something that feels premium, without going full pro. The MacBook Air 15 with the M4 chip is honestly one of the cleanest coding experiences you can get right now. I used this for an entire work week, coding in VS Code, running Docker containers, browsing docs, editing thumbnails, and the craziest part, it stayed completely silent. No fan, no noise, just smooth performance. Battery life is insane, easily 11 to 13 hours in real-world usage, even with multiple apps running. The 15-inch Retina display gives you more space to work, and text clarity is excellent, though it's still not as bright as the Pro models. Now, performance-wise, the M4 chip handles almost everything, web dev, app dev, even light backend work without breaking a sweat. But yeah, there are trade-offs. Only 2 Thunderbolt ports, which can be annoying if you use multiple accessories. And since it's fanless, it can throttle slightly during heavy, long builds. But for most developers, this is more than enough. It's thin, light, powerful, and perfect for everyday coding. Best for web developers, freelancers, students in Apple ecosystem. Downside, limited ports, thermal throttling under heavy load.
Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 14, M4 Pro, or M4 Max. Best overall programming laptop. And finally, the absolute beast. The MacBook Pro 14 with M4 Pro or M4 Max is hands down the best laptop for programming in 2026. This is not just a laptop, this is a productivity machine. I pushed this thing hard, running Docker containers, local databases, VS Code, Xcode, Chrome with 20 plus tabs, Figma, Slack, everything at once. And it didn't slow down, not even once. Compile times, crazy fast. Builds that used to take minutes now finish in seconds. Battery life is also insane, around 14 to 16 hours depending on your workload. And the display, absolutely stunning. Mini LED, super bright, up to 1000 nits sustained, perfect for long coding sessions. You also get everything you need, multiple Thunderbolt ports, HDMI, SD card slot, no dongle life. And unlike the Air, this one has active cooling, so it stays fast even under heavy workloads. Yes, it's expensive, but if coding is your full-time job, this is an investment, not a purchase. Best for professional developers, heavy workloads, CI/CD, back-end engineers. Downside, expensive. So yeah, these are the laptops I actually tested, coded on, and used in real daily workflows. Remember, coding is a long game. Don't just buy what's trending, buy what keeps you productive for years. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven for more real-world reviews, and check the links below for the latest deals. And tell me in the comments which laptop fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, stay productive, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.